YouTube! I ain't gonna lie, we not doing this intro like we usually do. I'm low-key pissed as fuck right now. I ain't gonna lie, y'all already can tell by the title of the video, we will be lowering the Chrysler 300. The vehicle is already lowered, y'all. I don't know what happened to my footage of me installing the springs and everything like that, bro. But I lost everything, bro. So today is the next day, bro. And I'm gonna just show y'all how it looks lowered. I'm gonna post some clips of the vehicle, you know what I'm saying, before the springs, so y'all can kind of compare. But I'm gonna show y'all, you know what I'm saying, how I look right now, bro. I'm pissed as hell. But anyway, man, make sure y'all drop a like on this video. Also, don't forget to hit that sub button and turn that noti bell on. If you're not a part of the family yet, I ain't gonna lie. You lame as I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. Like, get off the video and leave me alone, bro. You know what I'm saying? Because, hey, my dog's gonna rock with me. Whoever rocking with me. Simple as that, man. But no, all jokes aside, bro, make sure y'all subscribe, man. We got some great things going on for the Chrysler 300. And right now, I'm recording. It's like 15 degrees out. Y'all can see a little snow. I know y'all can see a little snow on the ground. It's 15 degrees outside right now, bro. And I'm still recording for y'all. And my stupid ass still wearing some slides. So help your boy out, goddamn me, and drop a like on this video and share this video. But anyway, man, let me show y'all the rundown of the Chrysler 300, you know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna show y'all the springs yet, you know what I'm saying? Let me get to the front of the car real quick. You know what I'm saying? The thing, look, hey, it's still the same. We actually gonna change the hood soon, so make sure y'all stay tuned for that. Make sure y'all got y'all noti bell on, because we will be swapping this hood. Y'all comment below what hood we gonna do. Also, man, if y'all didn't check out the new rims video, make sure y'all go check it out, bro. We posted that like a week or two ago. Make sure y'all check out the, you know what I'm saying, the video we installed the gray satin gunmetal 5-spoke ram. So if y'all want to see a full, you know what I'm saying, video about that, make sure y'all go check that out. Got the pricing of everything and how I did it. And basically I got rid of my black gloss rim 5-spoke, got rid of those, and I got the gray satin motherfuckers now. But anyway, man, we gonna go to the trunk of the car, man. Hey, the springs we got for this, you know what I'm saying, to lower the car is, you know what I'm saying, we went with the goddamn eibach, however you want to say it. How you say it? Comment below. Is it eibach, eibach, or is it eibach? Goddamn me. Anyway, we got the eibach springs, you know what I'm saying? We got the Pro Kit eibach springs. But anyway, here are the stock springs, but this is the Pro Kit. If you look up the Pro Kit Chrysler, I think it was like $350. God damn. My shit ashy as hell. Anyway, if you do the Pro Kit on eibach.com, bro, I think these ran for like $350. They lowered the front by like, I think it was 0.8 inches, and then they lowered the back 1.5 inches to 1.7 inches. But before I show y'all how these look right now, bro, make sure y'all drop a like I said, drop a like, bro. You know what I'm saying? God damn, anyway, we just gonna put that in there. Anyway, drop a like on the video, because we got some crazy stuff in store, bro. I got a lot of parts coming in. We're gonna install it on the goddamn Chrysler 300. So make sure you following your boy. But anyway, man, I'm gonna show y'all how the vehicle looked before the springs. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna throw a little clip in real quick right now. I ain't gonna lie, man, we do need to get, as y'all can see, this is too much goddamn gap space in this bitch. I ain't gonna lie, we do need some lowering springs. I'm probably gonna go with goddamn probably with them eibach, and that's gonna lower like an inch or two, bro. So we gonna get rid of the space. This is the only thing I don't like about my car right now, is they don't add lowering springs to Chryslers, bro. The shit is ugly as fuck and as big as hell. I can literally stick my whole hand in there, 4-5 fingers, bro. So we gotta get some lowering springs. That's gonna be the next mile for this bitch, to let this bitch sit low. I see how it looked. It had a little gap. Hey, now that gap is a little, you know what I'm saying? It's a little smaller now, bro. You know what I'm saying? The back was where the gap was at the most. Yeah, I see the gap kind of went down a little bit, but we did lower the Chrysler 300. I didn't want it super low. I could have went with the D2 springs and lowered it 2 inches, had this thing sitting really low. Now, I'm finna go long too. Hey, I'm talking too much. I got some stuff I'm finna do. I don't want stuff to scrape under, you feel me? So I didn't want to go too super low, especially in St. Louis. Y'all already know St. Louis got hella potholes. You gonna ruin your car. I popped like 2-3 tires with potholes. I ruined some axles with my goddamn potholes. Bro, the potholes are terrible down here. So I don't want this car any lower. I already scraped the bottom of my car when it was stock spring. Now that I lowered it, I already know I'm about to be scraping like crazy, especially when I add, you know, the parts that we're gonna add to the car. So I'm kind of thinking ahead type deal. So I don't want my shit to sit too low, but it definitely lowered, bro. As y'all can see for the previous clips, you know what I'm saying? The thing's sitting nice. We got, like I said, it was 0.8 in the front. You know what I'm saying? Then we got the 1.5 inches in the back, 1.5 to 1.7. Before I could put 4 fingers in. Low-key fisting that motherfucker. But anyway, I used to put 4 fingers in when it was stock. Now I can only put like 2.5 fingers in now. So it definitely lowered. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, you could definitely see the difference. We got the gunmetal satin. I gotta give my baby a car wash. It just snowed and shit. Got a little salt on it. But yeah, just give y'all a cool little rundown. This gonna be a quick video. Also, I'm gonna show y'all, I'm gonna drive it around a little bit, show y'all how, you know what I'm saying, how it drives and everything like that. But yeah, we gotta get all the calipers painted, you know what I'm saying? We gotta get all we got green and fucking yellow, shit looking crazy. But anyway, that's pretty much it for the springs, man. I'm pissed I couldn't show y'all how to install them. It's actually pretty easy. The back, we have to drop the exhaust down a little bit to get behind there and drop the back down, and then shit. But like I said, y'all, I really wish I could have gave y'all the content of me and my boy Sonny. Installed the springs for me, bro. Shout out to my boy Sonny. I'm gonna put his link in the description. He on Instagram. He does swaps. He does anything Mopar, bro, or Chevy. He can get you right. Anyway, man, all the footage deleted, so I'm really pissed, bro. At least y'all can see how it look, and then we gonna drive a little bit. You know what I'm saying? It's cold as fuck. My hands literally like, bro, this shit looking crazy, bro. I ain't gonna lie. If I grabbed the chip and handed it to you, would you eat it? But anyway, man, let's start this thing up real quick. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I ain't gonna lie. The only difference I see with the lowering springs, bro, compared to the stock springs is honestly just how stiff. The steering wheel is definitely more stiff than usual, but so I got a little bit more stability for sure. Hey, y'all really gotta fuck with your boy Dog, man, because I'm dead ass, you know what I'm saying, in 17. Okay, it's not 17 no more. It's 21. Y'all see that? 21 degrees right now, bro. Dead ass freezing for y'all right now. But anyway, man, we're gonna get a cool little drive. But yeah, the only thing, bro, is that the steering wheel is stiffer. You know what I'm saying? Going around corners and shit, steering wheel is a little bit harder. That's the only difference I see, though, bro. Nothing else different. It drives smooth. You definitely sit a little bit lower. You know what I'm saying? I can tell I'm lower to the ground compared to when I'm stock. I just slid. I got ice. Damn. Am I tired? My tires got ice on it? Because I didn't even press the gas too hard, bro. I'm literally sliding, bro. I must got ice on my tires or some shit. What the fuck? My hands are freezing right now, y'all. Yeah, this bitch sliding right now, y'all. I can't even push it for real, bro. I can't even push this bitch like I want it, bro. Cause my tires ain't bald, so I'm confused why I'm spinning right now, bro. Cause I'm not even hitting the gas. Damn. And y'all, I didn't fix my fucking window. The window still squeaks, bro. If somebody please help me out, bro. I don't know how to fix that. I got a lot in store for the Chrysler 3 Hyundai, man. It's gonna be the first dog pack or whatever, fucking hell dog, whatever the fuck you want to call it. We getting rid of the steering wheel. We gonna install a SRT steering wheel. I just got that at the crib. I'm gonna show y'all that when we get back. We're gonna install that, and then we going into the engine, man. Also, we doing a wrap too, so make sure y'all comment what color wrap y'all think I should do, man. What color wrap y'all think I should do on the Chrysler 300? You know what I'm saying? And we get this shit cracking, but we gotta get this ready before summertime. Simple. Can't really push this much too bad, cause I ain't gonna lie. We in the county right now in St. Charles, bro. I ain't gonna lie, feds be hot over here. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. And I already got, I got a speeding ticket and 2 red light tickets or running red lights and shit. They got my stupid ass. But yeah, so your boy Dog gonna chill a little bit because I ain't trying to spend no more money than I already gotta spend. You feel me? So we just gonna do a calm little drive. But really all it is with the springs, bro, your shit gonna be stiffer, bro. Your shit not gonna be as quick and smooth. So like if I start sliding and shit, I'm definitely gonna have to use 2 hands compared to 1. Cause this motherfucker is heavy right now. Like this dick I drop on your mama. I really miss y'all, man. I know I ain't been consistent, but we finna get consistent, man. We got everything. We getting everything handled right now. Yeah, man, we chilling really for real, bro. Chilling right now, man. For real, I'm finna be more consistent with y'all. I'm gonna definitely need y'all to support your boy Dog, you feel me? So I can get this thing ready for y'all. There's so many fucking red lights, I can't even hit my shit, bro. But we finna head back to St. Louis real quick, man. When I get back to the crib, I'm gonna continue recording, bro. We got a little tunnel action. Hey, we got people here, though. God damn. But when I get back to the crib, man, I'm gonna continue recording for y'all boys. And I'll see y'all in a second, man. Oh, shit. Been getting bendy on my soul. That been getting bendy. But yeah, man, we back at the crib, bro. Y'all can tell, man, it definitely dropped in the back. It usually had way more space up top. And by the way, we on 245s as well, bro. So when we get on 275s, it's gonna look a little bit smaller. You feel me? And like I said, the 0.8 in the front as well definitely dropped a little bit. The front wasn't really the problem the most when it came to you know, lowering. It was really the back I wanted to get rid of the most, and it definitely got rid of it. Especially when I go 275s in the back or 305s in the back, this shit gonna definitely look cool. But like I said, we on 245s, just got some sliding, you know what I'm saying, tires on it right now. You can slide way easier with the smaller tires, so. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the lowering, you feel me, y'all? Hey, I ain't gonna lie, I really fuck with it. It was only $350, like I said, to lower it. And then my boy Sonny hooked me up with a deal, you know what I'm saying, to install them real quick. So the total, I didn't even spend up like $450, bro. I ain't spent over $450 to lower my car, so it definitely paid off. I know a lot of people do coilovers and stuff like that. I went to go coilovers, but shit, that was like $1,000, like $300 for my car. I wanted to save a little cash, and I'm not having no problems. I had these on for a couple days, and I'm not having no problems. So I'm gonna do an update video soon on them or something like that. But everything went smooth. No type of rubbing, no type of noises, nothing like that. We do got that SRT steering wheel though, man. We do got that SRT steering wheel, goddamn me. Bought it from my boy on IG. We definitely gonna install this soon, so make sure you subscribe. We're gonna install that in, get rid of that Chrysler one. Put that SRT steering wheel in, and we done with the interior of the car. We done with the exterior of the car besides the wrap. We gotta do the wrap. Also got some great badges, some new badges coming in, you know what I'm saying? Some dog badges. Everybody say my shit like a wolf. Fuck y'all. We got a lot in store, man, so make sure y'all stay tuned, man, and got y'all noti bell on. And I really appreciate y'all for, you know what I'm saying, checking out the channel. Everybody who new, everybody who old, I appreciate every single one of y'all, bro. I hope y'all trying to chase y'all goals, you know what I'm saying, stacking your paper up, you know what I'm saying, doing y'all thing, bro. Hey, I love y'all. Make sure y'all stay safe. Y'all stay blessed, and I'm out this bitch.